Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook and Eat with Nanu. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making eggplant pickle or eggplant mojo. We are going to be making this in a different style today. So let's cook together. You're gonna need 2 eggplants, medium size. You're gonna need some curry leaves. These curry leaves are from my backyard, so they are fresh curry leaves. I have 2 teaspoons of salt here. I have 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper. I get my black pepper from Costco, so I like those black pepper. And I have a half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. You're gonna need a small piece of ginger. You also need a handful of golden raisins and 2 teaspoons of vinegar and 4 small pieces of cinnamon. These cinnamon are from Sri Lanka. And I have 1 clove and 1 cardamom and 4 dates soaked in half a teaspoon of vinegar. You need 4 shallots. You can use red onions too, and 6 Thai chili peppers, half a cup of cashews. These are roasted. I usually wash them and roast them in slow roast. These are cashews, and a handful of anchovies. These are dry small fish, so this is really good. You can use without these two, but this once it goes to the butter mojo is delicious. And you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of turmeric from here and 1 teaspoon of mustard. So you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of turmeric to this one and half a teaspoon of salt. Let it marinate for like about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So that way it's easy to fry and this gets the flavor. I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So today I'm gonna fry in coconut oil. You're gonna need about 2 cups of coconut oil. So let's see if it's ready. Okay, that means it's ready. So looks like this is ready. It's golden brown. So I'm gonna take it out. Smells good in here. this is ready too. This is the second batch. I'm taking it out. Look at that color, the golden brown. This is the color you want. So I'm gonna just pass these onions in here just for like 5 seconds. No more than 5 seconds. I'm gonna put my curry leaves too. And my chilies too. Only for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to get the moisture out of the onions and the chili. That way you can keep this noodles for a while in the fridge. So now I'm gonna fry my anchovies. On medium heat till it's crunchy. Till golden brown. So I'm gonna see whether if it's crunchy. I'm gonna take one out and leave it for a second and see whether it's ready. Maybe few more seconds. Okay, it's ready now. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna grind my ginger. One teaspoon of mustard. And 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Let's see how. Okay, I'm going to add the other teaspoon also. So 2 teaspoons of vinegar in here. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, whole black pepper. My 4 cloves of garlic. And the raisins. So I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt here. So it's ready now. I'm gonna take it out. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. This is 2 teaspoons. Add my cinnamon and cardamom and clove. My crushed red pepper. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. Ready. I'm gonna add the mix. It's ready. I'm gonna add my onions, eggplant, and curry leaves. Ooh, look at that. Mix well. So I'm gonna add my dates. That's soaked in vinegar. It smells good in here. Look at the color. So now you add the cashews. Mix well. You can check the salt level for your preference. Remember, the anchovy has salt too, so make sure you don't add too much salt from the beginning. Keep stirring. Now you add your anchovies. Keep stirring. It's ready now. Actually, I'm going to taste one and see how it is. I'm going to taste a little bit. It's really good. It has enough salt. So this is ready now. gonna try this eggplant pickle, the batu moju I made with my whole wheat couscous. It's really good. Thank you for watching. Thank you.